quick little video here. Basically, door isn't shutting all the way, and it kind of just like half latches, and then will hang like that. And I found that the striker that I have is missing a little plastic piece right there that's supposed to help the latch completely latch. So I got a new striker on eBay. I think it was like 20-30 bucks, and basically it's just 2 screws. This little plate came off with it. I'm not sure if this is OEM or not. Looks like it. But basically it goes right there. And I wasn't sure if that was the reason or if it was because of the hinges. So to be honest, I just bought the striker because I was missing that plastic piece anyways. And I've seen people in the forums use like, people say electric tape, like a nylon sleeve. I was using a piece of vacuum hosing for a little bit, but that didn't really last long. And it just got sucked into the freaking latch mechanics mechanism over here and went all the way back there. But basically, if you want to see if it's either the latch or the hinges, easy way is just take the latch off or the striker off, and you can push the door. And if the door lines up properly, which it for the most part does, it's not perfect, but that's because I kind of got to put pressure on it. So we're going to see. I don't know. It might be the latches, but I think it's just the striker. So I don't know. That definitely looks a lot better. So I will take a video after I put the striker on and adjust it. And you can adjust it however you need to. Move it back, move it down, up, forward, whatever, and then tighten the bolts and whatnot. So take a video after I finish. All right, so I finished. As you can see, it shuts and it's relatively flush, I'd say. Definitely a lot better than it was. The only issue is, so it closes a little bit better, but this was my problem also, where it wasn't really opening. So kind of, I have to like lift up and then it pops open. So I'm assuming that has something to do with the latches, or not the latches, the hinges, and I don't really have, I just don't want to do it, not right now. It's probably easier to do it 2 people too, because you got to take off the fender to get access to it all, because the latches are right there and the other one's down there somewhere. But basically with this, all I did was, for my specific case, I had to push it down and push it back a little bit and then slowly tighten these kind of while I kept pressure on it. But as you can see, that's the little plastic piece that I was missing, and that kind of makes all the difference there. So it still shuts a little hard, but I mean, it shuts, so it doesn't kind of half sag like it was before. So definitely we'll have to get this fixed, but for now, I'll just pull up on it while I pull out. So it works either way. Thanks.